Have you ever wondered what separates a successful entrepreneur from the rest? It's not just about having a groundbreaking idea or a pile of capital, although those things certainly don't hurt. It's about something much more intangible, yet immeasurably impactful. It's about mindset. You see, the entrepreneurial mindset is not just about thinking, it's about doing. It's about the drive to take action, to turn ideas into reality. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, about embracing challenges and learning from failures. And the best part? This mindset isn't exclusive to those born with a silver spoon or a genius IQ. It can be cultivated, honed, and developed by anyone willing to put in the effort. It's the secret ingredient that can transform an ordinary person into an extraordinary entrepreneur. So, are you ready to build an entrepreneurial mindset? Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos on info to motivate you to taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Now, here are the 7 steps to help you. Step 1. Embrace challenges. Entrepreneurs see challenges as opportunities, not obstacles. Now let's delve a little deeper into this. Picture this. You're on your journey and you hit a roadblock. It's daunting, it's unexpected, but guess what? It's also an opportunity. An opportunity to learn, to grow, to innovate. This is where the entrepreneurial mindset comes into play. Instead of seeing this challenge as a setback, you see it as a chance to evolve, to improve your strategies, to come back stronger. It's all about perspective. When you shift your mindset and start to view challenges as opportunities, you're opening yourself up for growth. You're not just overcoming an obstacle, you're gaining invaluable experience, you're developing resilience, you're becoming a better entrepreneur. So remember, the next time you face a challenge, embrace it. It's an opportunity in disguise. Step 2. Cultivate positivity. Positivity fuels the entrepreneurial spirit. In the turbulent seas of entrepreneurship, it's positivity that acts as a beacon of light, guiding you towards success. It's about seeing the glass half full, about focusing on solutions rather than problems. It's about believing in your abilities and cherishing every small victory. Take a leaf out of the books of successful entrepreneurs. Elon Musk, for instance, despite numerous setbacks, continued to stay positive and believe in his vision. This positivity helped him turn SpaceX and Tesla into the powerhouses they are today. Or consider Richard Branson. His unwavering positivity coupled with his adventurous spirit have been instrumental in the success of the Virgin Group. Positivity isn't about ignoring reality or challenges, it's about maintaining an optimistic outlook, about believing in your potential to overcome hurdles. It's about fueling your entrepreneurial spirit with a can-do attitude. So make positivity a habit. It's a fuel for your entrepreneurial journey. Step 3. Be resilient. Resilience is the backbone of entrepreneurship. It's the ability to take a hit, dust yourself off, and jump back into the ring. In the world of entrepreneurship, it's not a question of if you will face setbacks, it's a question of when. And when that time comes, resilience is what will keep you moving forward. Every successful entrepreneur has faced failure, but what sets them apart is their ability to bounce back. They learn from their mistakes, they adapt, and they keep going. Resilience allows them to see failures not as the end, but as a stepping stone on their path to success. So as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, remember to pack resilience in your toolkit. It's your shield against setbacks, your fuel to keep going when the going gets tough, and your beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Step 4. Foster creativity. Creativity is the lifeblood of entrepreneurship. It's the magical ingredient that transforms ordinary into extraordinary, and mundane into magnificent. It's like the secret sauce that sets apart the best from the rest. In the world of entrepreneurship, creativity is more than just crafting beautiful designs or coming up with catchy slogans. It's about thinking outside the box, identifying unique solutions to complex problems, and seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about questioning the status quo, challenging conventional wisdom, and daring to dream big. Creativity allows you to see beyond the obvious, to envision what's not yet there, and to bring that vision to life. It's about innovation, disruption, and transformation. It's about creating something from nothing and turning dreams into reality. So let your creativity flow. It's the key to unlocking unique opportunities. Remember, in entrepreneurship, creativity isn't optional, it's essential. Scene script. Step 5. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the foundation of entrepreneurial success. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a growth mindset? Well, it's a belief that your abilities are not fixed, but can be developed over time. It's about seeing potential in yourself and understanding that you can evolve, grow, and improve. In contrast to a fixed mindset, where people believe their abilities are static, a growth mindset fosters a passion for learning. It champions the idea that intelligence and talent are just starting points, and that true potential is unlocked through dedication, hard work, and an eagerness to learn. So, how does this mindset benefit entrepreneurs? In countless ways. It fuels resilience, encourages innovation, and makes the journey of entrepreneurship an exciting adventure of continuous learning. It helps you to embrace failures as learning opportunities and to see challenges as stepping stones to success. A growth mindset is like a compass that helps entrepreneurs navigate the uncertain waters of the business world. It encourages you to step out of your comfort zone, to experiment, and to learn from every experience. It pushes you to constantly improve, to strive for excellence, and to never settle for mediocrity. Think of the greatest entrepreneurs of our time. They didn't reach their lofty heights by sticking to what they knew. They ventured into the unknown, they learned, they adapted, and they grew. Their growth mindset was their secret weapon, their edge in the competitive world of business. Now, developing a growth mindset is not a switch you can flip overnight. It's a journey. It's about making a conscious effort to learn and grow every day. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and understanding that effort is the path to mastery. Remember, it's not about being the smartest in the room. It's about being the most adaptable, the most willing to learn, the most persistent. And that, my friends, is what a growth mindset is all about. So, cultivate a growth mindset. It's your ticket to continuous improvement and success. Step 6, be passionate. Passion is the driving force behind every successful entrepreneur. It's that intense, unwavering interest in your work that keeps you burning the midnight oil, tirelessly refining your ideas and strategies. It's not about the money or the fame. It's about the pursuit of a dream, a purpose that is bigger than yourself. Passion is what motivates entrepreneurs to keep going despite challenges. It's the energy that fuels the entrepreneurial spirit, propelling you forward in the face of adversity. When you're passionate about what you do, you see obstacles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and improvement. Passion is infectious. It inspires others to believe in your vision and join you on your journey. It's the spark that ignites innovation and drives success. So find your passion and let it guide you. Let it be the heart of your entrepreneurial venture. Remember, passion is your fuel. It will keep you going when times get tough. Step 7, take calculated risks. Risk-taking is a fundamental part of entrepreneurship. Now, don't let the word risk frighten you. It's not about diving headfirst into the unknown. It's about making informed decisions, even when the outcome isn't certain. Think of it like this. If you're a sailor, you wouldn't set sail in the middle of a storm, right? You'd check the weather, prepare your ship, and chart your course. That's a calculated risk. You're prepared, but there's still the unknown, the open sea. This is the same with entrepreneurship. You don't just leap into a business venture blindly. You do your homework. You research, plan, strategize, and then you take the plunge. Sure, it might be scary, but it's these calculated risks that can lead to the greatest rewards. So don't be afraid to take risks. Just make sure they're calculated. So there you have it, 7 steps to building an entrepreneurial mindset. Let's quickly revisit them. Firstly, embrace challenges. They are the stepping stones to success, not obstacles. Secondly, cultivate positivity. A positive outlook will keep you energized and focused. Thirdly, be resilient. Remember that failure is part of the journey, not the end of it. Fourthly, foster creativity. It is the fuel that will ignite your business ideas. Fifthly, develop a growth mindset. Always be ready to learn and adapt. Sixthly, be passionate. Passion is the driving force behind every successful entrepreneur. And finally, take calculated risks. It's about making informed decisions, not gambling. Each of these steps is crucial in building an entrepreneurial mindset. And remember, you can start applying these steps in your life today. Remember, the journey of entrepreneurship starts with the right mindset. So start cultivating yours today.